Baoyu BML-2700-R900 cylinder bag interlock machine with right fabric cutter. Easy operation and stable performance. Fabric guider lifter mechanism, stable fabric guidance and convenient operation. The improved arc streamlined outer cover and button. And bottom hemming components are well designed for convenient and fast operation. The body-forming open-type suction tube can be installed easily. Faster fabric with the handling. Back puller device, RP back puller unit. More stable fitting by extending the lower roller length. The machine speed won't disturb the stitch length. Cylinder circumference 400 mm. Recess the cylinder bed design 150 mm. It is suitable for underpants for attaching elastic waistband.